How's everybody doing? My name is Mr. Chadwick Robinson, CEO of World Class, and I just wanted to give you a quick training on how to actually run your business like a business. We had a great question about, how do you go about paying your taxes here, being self-employed? And so I wanted to give you some helpful tips to help you, okay? So the first thing you want to do is you want to establish a bank account that is strictly for your business, okay? So whether you're incorporated with the business or just have a personal bank account, you want to make sure, even if you just have a personal bank account, that you have it separate from all of the other things. So, okay, if you only have one bank account right now, you want to establish a second bank account strictly for anything that's related to the business, okay? That means that this bank account will only be used, the card that you have, the Visa card, you will only swipe that for things that are tax write-offs. Okay, so if you go out to eat, you'll swipe it. If you go to the electronics store to buy your computer, you'll pay with that card. And every time you buy something that is tax deductible, you'll use that card. Okay, that way, at the end of the year, you can go into your online bank account and you can pull up all your transactions and look at all the money that you spent on tax write-off items, okay? So that's why you have to separate it from all your personal, okay? And it's really good to put it on a Microsoft Excel sheet. And the way that you can do that is at the end of the year, when you go into your online bank account, you can filter out certain things. So if you paid your cell phone bill, you can filter out your cell phone bill and see all your payments. You can copy all of those things, paste it onto an Excel document. Okay, then you can go and find all the times you went to whatever restaurant you normally go to, right? And you can copy and paste that and put it on a Microsoft Excel sheet. And then you can copy and paste anytime you bought something from Amazon, right? You'll get Amazon, you'll take it off your online account and pop it and paste it into your Microsoft Excel sheet. And that way you'll start to be able to have all the things that you bought throughout the year that's tax write-off, right? That you can write off, and you can actually add those things up and come up with a number, and you can itemize those things from entertainment to, utilities, gas, things like that. So I really encourage you to get with a CPA, because a CPA can go in more in detail on your tax write-offs and what you could do, but it's going to be very important for you to, manage your money appropriately, okay? And so this is going to be a very vital thing for you to do. That means not only will you have two bank accounts, right? One for your personal, one for your business, but you're going to have to also remember in your business bank account, right? Even if it's a personal bank account right now, maybe you're not incorporated or have like a DBA or a corporate bank account. You maybe just have a personal bank account, but that bank account, you want to have a checking and a savings, okay? And what you want to do every time you get paid, you have to take the tax amount and move it over to the savings. You can't spend all your money, throughout the year and come back around and not have money to pay the CPA to do your taxes or pay your actual taxes, right? So you got to switch your mentality from a employer, an employee mindset, and you have to start thinking about yourself as an independent business owner. So, you're responsible, for your taxes. And so you have to know when you get your check, you have to know, okay, well, if I'm paying 25% in taxes, what was my check? Let me multiply that times 25%. This money, I'm gonna move over to my savings, and I'll act like that money does not exist, right? And you have to do that every single month until the year comes around. Guess what? You'll have money there, right? But all of that money you're not gonna pay, because you're going to have your tax write-offs. So when you give your CPA your tax write-offs, the things that you invested into the business, they'll subtract that from the money that you saved, right? And then you'll pay the difference, and that'll be your tax return to yourself, because you saved in taxes. And so I hope this gives you a basic understanding of how you actually go about your taxes. Don't want to make this long and undrawn. I highly recommend that you get with a CPA for further information. But once again, like I always say, we won't see you at the top. We'll see you over the top, because you're built for greatness. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.